the Excavator. This is a story about Alfie the Excavator. Some of the pack teased him about being small, until he proved that you can be useful no matter what size you are. It was a beautiful day on the island of Sodor. Thomas had brought his friend Alfie the Excavator to a demolition site where the pack were working. "Hello, Thomas," rattled Jack the Digger. "Hello, Jack," puffed Thomas. "I brought Alfie to help you on the site." "I love demolition," said Alfie. "It's when we get to knock buildings down." "Is demolition fun?" he asked. "The best fun," cried Alfie as he swooped down the ramp. "Look out, small fry!" boomed Monty the dump truck. "I'm not a small fry," Alfie said crossly. Alfie was small for an excavator, but he didn't like being teased about his size. Alfie was happy when the foreman sent him to work with Ned the steam shovel. He knew that Ned wouldn't try to make him feel small. But as Alfie pulled up, Ned swung his bucket. "Watch out!" cried Alfie.
"Sorry, Alfie,"
said Ned.
"I didn't see you. You're smaller than you look."
This made Alfie feel even smaller. The demolition site was very busy and Alfie was working hard. "Hurry up, half pint," teased Monty. "It's not half pint," sneered Max. "It's small fry." Alfie was very upset. Poor Alfie. At the tea break, Thomas could see that Alfie was unhappy. "What's wrong, Alfie?" he asked. "I don't like being small," complained Alfie. "As long as you're useful," said Thomas helpfully. "It doesn't matter what size you are." Alfie thought about this for a moment. "Tea break's over," shouted Kelly. "Back to work." That afternoon, Alfie was determined to be really useful. He was helping Oliver the big excavator demolish a building. Oliver's giant scissor claw grabbed the top of the wall. "Stop!" cried Alfie. "I can hear something." Uh-oh. Everyone stopped work, but no one could hear a thing. "I checked inside and it's empty," said the foreman. "Small fry is hearing things," sneered Max. "I did hear something. I really did," said Alfie. The foreman looked inside again and he was surprised to find the building wasn't empty. "There's a mother cat in there and she's got kittens." "We must rescue them," said Alfie. "The building isn't safe," said the foreman. "I can't send my men in there." "I'll go," said Alfie bravely. "I'm small enough to fit in." In no time, Alfie wriggled inside. The building creaked and plaster flew. Alfie held up his scoop for the cat and kittens to jump in. "Here, kitty kitty," Alfie coaxed. But the cats and kittens didn't move. Suddenly the upper wall started to crumble. "Hurry, kitty kitty," cried Alfie. But it was too late. Quick as a wink, Alfie covered the cat and her kittens with his bucket. He was just in time. "Meow," said the cat. "Meow, meow," said the kittens. "Phew," said Alfie. The cat and kittens were safe. "Well done, Alfie," said Miss Jenny, "and a fine family of kittens it is." "I couldn't have rescued them if I'd been any bigger," said Alfie. "You may be small," said Kelly, "but you've got a big heart." "And a really useful bucket," said Thomas. Alfie felt very proud, and he never complained about being small again. That's my Alfie. The end.